I got everything I need and more. Never stressing by the situation anymore. I used to live inside the liquor store.
Had to flex the new radio real quick. Took me about 3 days to install this, but definitely enjoying the Apple CarPlay. It doesn't look like the clearest, but it definitely does what I wanted to do, and everything works just fine, so definitely cool. Got my boy Adrian here with me today. Say what's up, man.
What's up?
Yeah, he probably can't even see you, but it's all right though. Chill, Brent. Chill. I see a lot of people using freaking DOORDASH and like Instacart at the same time. I try to get on that. I think there was a reason that I don't use this car right now. I think they like had me in a wait list or something. But yeah, I've been DoorDashing for like 2 months maybe. I got like 50 something orders done. You know, I'm just really getting started. So I really wanted to start, you know, doing this POV type stuff right now, you know, while I'm getting started. So that way I can make a legacy or something like that. So that'd be cool. But yeah, right now we about to get started. Get back with y'all when we get an order in. First order, do I want to take this? $5.75. No, I'm not gonna take that. Actually, I'm gonna take it for you. It's at McDonald's right here. It's right there. It's pretty cool. Right around the spot from where I just chill at for a little while. So also, man, shout out to Popeyes, bro, because I ordered 3 strips. My man put like 7 of them mugs in there. So that was definitely cool. I was eating good today. My boy got some drumsticks. He wanted some chicken legs. He got some chicken legs. All right. Got some good chicken legs. About to pull up to McDonald's real quick. And you know, actually I come here so often I have special parking too, so you know, they just know it's me when I pull up. See, look at it looking at me already. Boom, pull up, about to go inside, get his order, be right back.
Waiting on Cam right now. Don't know if you could see him, but he's in the store right now. I'm just recording for him, you know.
Maybe the next one. Pulling up to the first order of the day. Wasn't too bad. It was like $6 for like a 3-mile drive, but I think it's like in what the heck is this? Oh, ice arena. I know it's an ice skating arena around here. To our second order here. Oh, sorry, second order actually, yeah. Got some Mexican food. I actually love Mexican food. Kind of want some. Every time I go DoorDash, I be smelling all this food that people be getting. I be like, yo, I want some of that. But you know what I'm saying? So that's like my old house. 1299. So I like to get ready. My 1299. Here we go. Right here. Leave it at the door. Let me see. Got the food. Leave it at the door. Do not knock. Got you. I'll be right back. Here. Oh, DoorDash.
Waiting on my boy. Nah, cut that out. Cut that. Uncle Cameron, cut that out right now. Cut this out. Cut this out.
Welcome back, guys, or I'm not sure if I should say welcome back because it's still the same video, but I made a part 2 just because, you know, last night I was doing DoorDash and there wasn't really too much going on, which is kind of weird considering it's a Sunday. Typically Sundays are pretty busy, but nonetheless, it's Monday night now, part 2 of my first POV DoorDash video. So yeah, welcome back to that. I don't know if I can hear this or not, but my car idles so loud at cold. It just sounds so good. I wish I like that all the time, honestly. Next car gotta be a V8. I've been saying that for the longest, but I don't know. Like, you know, that's so long away. Hopefully, I want to drive this car till the wheels fall off, but I really would like my next car to be a V8, just so I can just have that loud, you know, that V8. Never had one before. That'd be dope. As you can see, Severn is very busy right now, so we definitely about to go ahead and get that started. Probably just till like, I guess we can do 8:30. Didn't want to go any farther than that, so that's cool. That works for me. So hope tonight is pretty active. This is my stats look like. So I've 54 deliveries. So I've been doing this for like a month or two now. 3 brothers. Okay, I like this one. Let's see. Oh yes, sir. 10 miles, 1425. We're taking that for sure. And on top of that, the reason I sit where I sit is because like 8 of the restaurants that typically get DoorDashes around here are right in the shopping center. So I just sit right here and gotta go sideways over the speed bumps. Guess I'm a little boy. And I'm gonna pull into my special spot because, you know, they just know who I am. Got my own joint. Dude, that took much longer than expected. I really hate going to this restaurant, but typically their orders are paying a lot. So that's why I just said go ahead and, you know, just deal with it for today. But anyways, got a 15-minute drive, which is cool. I was kind of looking forward to getting on the highway today. So car's almost warmed up because I just letting it sit for the past like it was sitting for like 20 minutes right there, so it's wasted a lot of time in that restaurant. So we're actually not taking the highway, but we are taking back roads, so that's cool too. I'm gonna start trying to DoorDash some more during the day though, because it's kind of hard to see at nighttime, especially with the tint on my windows. But Sounds so good. He opened the valve just now. I don't know, man. There's so many cars that I want. I think one of them is have hella cars in my garage. And we are pulling up to our first drop off of the day. Bet. I know she's not the fastest, but man, this car really does sound really good, honestly. I think it's like a great, like, it's not my first car, but I think this would be like a great first car for anyone who likes cars. They don't cost that much. They're actually decently quick, like 300 horsepower to the crank, so it's like 260, 270 to the wheel. And it's Toyota, so like it's gonna last, even if someone doesn't know too much about cars. Like, obviously you should know, like, to maintain it, like oil changes, any fluids, basically, stuff like that. But it's like an easy car to learn about cars on the IS platform. In case y'all don't know what I'm talking about, I drive a Lexus IS350 2008. So extremely model. I would say extremely moddable. It's really not that moddable, but because it's not that many parts available for this car, but they look pretty good though, in my opinion. So I think it'd definitely be a great car for like someone's first car, you know, high school or maybe even college first car. Man, this food smells so freaking good. Like, oh man. Oh, I don't know if I can hear that airplane above me. I'm like right by the airport, so I hear all the airplanes landing and everything. Bright ass lights, bro. God damn. Got about a 20-minute drive out to Catonsville. Yeah, that's really it. I should be getting on the freeway now. Maybe I'll have like a setting or something turned on, just avoid highways, because I have not been getting them recently. You guys can see the charger in front of me, but I just want to say I have such a love-hate relationship for chargers, like especially considering that I have 10 in my window, so it's a little bit harder to see cars at nighttime. I always have to like make sure like the Charger's not a cop, or the Explorer's not a cop, or the Durango's not a cop, like before I just go past them. And sometimes it's just hard to tell. Like this one, I'm pretty sure it's not a cop. It's red. It doesn't have tint, and it just doesn't look like a cop car, and doesn't have any police markings on it. So I mean, I would just go past it, but I just wanted to. Awareness, it's a must. Oh, look at the GS, clean, baby, clean. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. Just get behind them. Nice. I definitely want one of those one day too. It's a lot. I have like a picture of that in my head of what I would do to it if I had one. And the new IS right there too. Okay, Lexus is out today, showing out today. double park. Tell him not to park next to me, though. Looking good. Let's get to this Taco Bell order. Hey man, if y'all made it this far, I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you smack that like and subscribe if you want to see some more videos like this. Definitely enjoyed making this video. So yeah, definitely let me know if you liked it, and I'll definitely make some more, man. Catch y'all in the next one.
Bitch, I'm not nice. Give a fuck about how you feeling. I don't care about your opinions, bitch, I'm chillin'.